Okay, based on medium, waves are classified into two types. First one is mechanical wave, second one is electromagnetic wave. Mechanical wave means the wave propagated with necessary of medium for its propagation. Once again, mechanical wave means the wave propagated medium is necessary. Medium is necessary. Simply, the best example is sound. Sound waves. Mechanical waves best example is sound waves. Mechanical wave means the wave propagated with necessary of medium. Okay. Best example, on the moon surface, two persons are there. These two persons listening. These two persons. One person ఏమో పెద్దగా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడు. Another person listen చేయాలి. On the moon, here no atmosphere. Its meaning is no medium tukaram. Here, this is the one person. This is the another person. These two persons on the two persons on the moon surface. Here moon, there is no atmosphere. Simply there is no medium. That's why sound cannot propagated here to here. That's why these persons cannot hearing. Its meaning is sound propagate avali ante medium is necessary. These waves are called mechanical waves. Okay nana. Next wave nana, electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave. Best example is light. Once again I repeat. Electromagnetic wave. Best example is light. This is the earth surface. This is the sun. What is the use of sun? Emit the light. Light from sun to ekkadiki reach avutundi? Earth. Once again I repeat. Electromagnetic wave best example is light. In the situation, light coming from sun to reach the light coming from sun to reach the earth. In this situation, once again I repeat, light coming from sun to reach the earth. In this situation, sun ki earth ki madhyalo vacuum is present. Aina sare light propagated, simply light propagated without necessary of the medium. Without necessary of based on wavelength, or frequency. Electromagnetic wave divided into 7 regions. Once again I repeat. Electromagnetic wave, other name light. Based on wavelength, based on frequency, based on wavelength, based on frequency, light split into 7 regions. The first region is in the electromagnetic wave. The first region is radio waves. Next one, radio waves. Next one, microwaves. Radio waves, microwaves. Next nana, visible region. Look here all of you. visible region. Next one nana, visible region. Next one, sorry, radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays. Next nana, visible region, visible region. Next one nana, UV rays. Next one nana, X-rays. Next one nana, gamma rays. Okay, here all of you look here. In the situation based on wavelength, based on frequency, electromagnetic waves is divided into 7 regions. The first region is radio waves, microwaves, infrared region, visible region, ultraviolet region, X-rays, gamma rays. This is the increasing of frequency. This is the decreasing of wavelength. Simply in these seven, which have higher frequency is gamma rays. Higher frequency is gamma rays. Energy formula Tukaram H nu. Frequency more, energy also more. Simply, Nana, once again I repeat, frequency more, energy also more. Highest energetic ray is gamma ray, lowest energetic ray is radio wave. That's why radio waves cannot propagate more distance. Radio waves cannot propagate more distance. Okay, Nana? Here, Nana. Mari wavelengths raddam Nana, look here. Wavelengths raddam. Chala important, Nana. Look here. In the situation, here, Nana, wavelength decreasing order. Its wavelength, Nana, greater than. Its wavelength greater than 0.1 meter. Its wavelength, microwaves wavelength is 0.1 mm2, 0.1 mm2, 1 mm. Mm means millimeter. Sajan first class absent aitela. Anjan no kuda first class absent aitela. Infrared region wavelength is 1 mm2, 700 mm. Please write notes. Visible region. In the visible region, here Nana, 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Nano ante 10 power minus 9. Okay, Nana? 10 power minus 9. 1 mm to 700 nanometer. This is 700 nanometer to 400 nanometer. Next one, UV region is 400 nanometer to 1 nanometer. Next one, X-rays. X-rays 1 nanometer to 10 power minus 3 nanometer. Gamma rays wavelength less than 10 power minus 3 nanometer. This is the wavelengths of the electromagnetic waves. Please write down. కొంతమంది మేడం మన ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఎలా సార్ అని. ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ అంటే ఇన్ ద కెమిస్ట్రీ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద c by lambda. C is nothing but the velocity of light. velocity of light value 3 into 10 power 8. Frequency formula c by lambda. C is nothing but the velocity of light. Its value is 3 into 10 power minus 8. Please look here. Here nana electromagnetic wave. Generally charge at rest to produce only electrical field. Charge is moving constant velocity to produce magnetic field. In this situation, charge is accelerated to produce electrical field and magnetic field. Once again repeat Tukaram garu. Charge rest only to produce electrical field. Charge is in uniform motion to produce the magnetic field. Charge is accelerated to produce the electrical field and magnetic field. In the situation, this is the sun. Sun, inside a large number of charged particles are there. Because of heating, these charged particles accelerated. Accelerating charged particle to produce the electrical field and magnetical field. Simply, for example, what is the use of sun to emit the light? Here, light, suppose light propagated along x-axis. Suppose light propagated along x-axis. This light emit by using accelerated charge. That's why light propagated along x-axis, electrical field acting along y-axis, magnetic field acts along z-axis. Once again I repeat. Here, charged particle to produce the electrical field and magnetic field. In this situation, look here. For example, light propagated along x-axis. According to this theory, electrical field acting, magnetic field acting, both are perpendicular to the propagation of the light. Suppose here, light propagated along the x-axis, electrical field acting along the y-axis, magnetic field acting along the z-axis. ORR. For example, light propagating along x-axis, magnetic field acting along y-axis, electrical field acting along z-axis. It's maybe electrical field may be act y-axis, electrical field may be act along z-axis. That's why this light is called unpolarized light. Sunlight always called as, according to wave optics, unpolarized light. Unpolarized light means electrical field may be act along y-axis, may be act along z-axis. Simply look here. This is the propagation of light. Electrical field may be act y-axis, may be act z-axis. So sunlight always called as unpolarized light. Once again I repeat. For example, light propagated along x-axis, electrical field may be act y-axis, magnetic field may be z-axis. Simply, electrical field, magnetic field mutually perpendicular and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave. Okay, Nana? In the situation, suppose look here. Look here. Here, light propagated along x-axis. Here, electrical field at suppose y-axis, magnetic field idayya idi itla draw cheyadam kaabatti ila draw chestunnam. Magnetic field act along z-axis. We know simple harmonic motion. In the simple harmonic motion displacement formula, y equal to a sin omega t minus kx. Here also electrical field write as a, y equal to a sin of omega t minus kx. Okay, according to wave equation. Here electrical field after t seconds. Here E naught is called maximum electrical field. Once again, what is the formula for electrical field intensity after t seconds? E equal to E naught sin of omega t minus kx. In the situation, E indicate electrical field intensity after t seconds. E naught indicate maximum electrical field. Omega indicate angular frequency. T indicate time. K indicate propagation constant. X indicate distance travelled by the wave along x direction. Once again I repeat. E ante electrical field after t seconds. E naught ante maximum electrical field. Omega angular frequency. T time. K propagation constant. X indicate once again I repeat, X indicate distance travelled by the wave after t seconds. Here X enduku rasanu konni test books lo meer chuste K Z untadi. Z ante wave propagating along z axis. Ikkada nene తీసుకున్నాను wave propagating along x axis. Here write X. This minus indicate the wave propagating along positive x-axis. Wave చూడాలి బాబు ఫస్ట్ చాప్టర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్. ఓకేనా? మరి ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్షన్ ఇవ్వాలి కదా. along what axis? J. along y axis J cap. Next one. Look here. Next the equation is magnetic field after t seconds. B equal to, look here, B naught sin of omega t minus kx. In the situation, B naught indicate maximum magnetic field. B naught indicate maximum magnetic field. Omega indicate angular frequency. T indicate time. K indicate propagation constant. X indicate distance travelled by the wave along x-axis. B along z-axis. That's why here write K cap. These are equations for electrical field after t seconds. Magnetic field after t seconds. Please write the equations. All of you look here now. Once again repeat. What is the relation between maximum electrical field, maximum magnetic field? What is the relation? E naught equal to CB naught. Here C indicate velocity of light. What is the velocity of light in vacuum formula? 1 by under root mu naught epsilon naught. In the situation, mu naught indicate permeability of free space. Epsilon naught indicate permittivity of free space. Here values substitute. Finally, we get this value. Simply, this is the formula for velocity of light in vacuum. For example, look here, all of you. Velocity of light in medium. What is the formula? Look here. 1 by under root. Look here, all of you. Mu epsilon. Here. Mu naught epsilon naught. This is permeability of free space. Permittivity of free space. This is permeability of medium. This is permittivity of medium. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. The question is equation 2 by equation 3. Look here. Equation 2 left side, sea air or free space. Equation 3 left side, sea medium. Look here now. Here, all root inversely. Look here, inversely. Mu naught, epsilon naught. Inversely, mu epsilon. In this situation, under root, permeability of medium by permeability of free space. This ratio is called relative permeability. Permittivity of medium by permittivity of free space. This ratio is called relative permittivity. Relative means in the physics comparison. Relative means comparison. Permeability of medium by permeability of free space. This comparison write as relative permeability. Permittivity of medium by permittivity of free space. This ratio is called relative permittivity. We know that optics definition, velocity of light in air by velocity of light in medium, the ratio is called n. Some textbooks write as mu. Mu is called refractive index. What is the formula for refractive index of the medium? Look here. Refractive index generally denoted by mu, but here no confusion of this mu and this mu. In the chapter refractive index denoted by n. What is the formula for refractive index? Under root mu r epsilon r. This is the fourth formula. This write as, look here. Here mu r write as mu by mu naught into epsilon r write as epsilon by epsilon naught. This is the formula for refractive index of the medium. Okay, these four formulas very useful to solve the problems. Okay, Nana? Complete any right? Discuss Nana pointing vector. Nana. What is the pointing vector? What is the pointing vector? What is the pointing vector? What is the meaning of pointing vector? Pointing vector I discuss. Here pointing vector means S bar. S bar indicate, pointing vector indicate direction of light wave. Simply direction of light wave. Here now pointing vector indicate direction of propagation of the light wave. Okay. For example, two vectors P bar, Q bar is given. Cross product of two vectors equal to another vector. Here, suppose this is the P bar, this is the Q bar. Here multiply P to Q, P to Q. Thumb indicate the direction of R bar. Simply PQ on the board, R is out of the board. Simply, Nana here multiplication of two vectors gives another vector. This another vector perpendicular of these two vectors. According to this concept, pointing vector is defined as E bar cross H bar. In the situation, E indicate electrical field, H indicate magnetic field induction. In the situation, look here all of you, E bar cross B key H key relation in magnetism, B equal to mu naught H. Simply H write as B bar by mu naught. This is the formula for pointing vector. Simply, for example, light propagated along x-axis, electrical field at y-axis, magnetic field at z-axis. Simply J cross K gives I. Simply here S bar indicate mainly the direction of propagation of wave, light wave. In the situation, S bar perfect definition is energy flowing per unit area per unit time. Here light is a form of energy. S bar defined as energy flowing of light per unit area per unit time. What is the use of pointing vector? It indicates the direction of propagation of light wave. What is the formula? E bar cross H bar. H is right in terms of B by mu naught. Here S is defined as pointing vector defined as energy flowing per unit area per unit time. Here E indicate, let U1 easy U indicate what nana? Energy flowing per unit area per unit time. Okay.